Behold the 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX Performance Electric Van. This cherry red icon blends retro style with electrified power, cruising from Berlin to Boston. With bold design and dynamic performance, it's VW's ultimate electric van. Join us as we explore its retro-modern aesthetics, high-tech cabin, and thrilling capability. Let's dive into Volkswagen's electric masterpiece. Exterior design. The 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX, a 195.4-inch long-wheelbase van, redefines retro cool. Its front end boasts a full-width LED matrix headlight bar, a honeycomb air intake grille, and a GTX badge for sporty flair. The side profile showcases 21-inch bicolor alloy wheels and power sliding doors. Built on the MEB platform, it's engineered for urban agility and road trips. At the rear, a full-width LED taillight bar and power tailgate enhance functionality. Colors like cherry red, candy white, and deep black pearl radiate vibrant style. Compared to the Honda NS2 and Chrysler Pacifica EV, the ID Buzz GTX offers superior power and space, though it's less compact than the NS2. In cherry red, it's a head-turner, whether towing in California or parked in London. This electric van redefines performance for 2026. Interior features. Step into the 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX 7-seat cabin with GTX Art velour seats, red stitching, and a panoramic sunroof complementing the cherry red exterior. A 15-inch touchscreen with navigation UI and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster delivers seamless control. The Dynaudio 10-speaker system ensures premium sound. The front seats, wrapped in art velour with red GTX logos, offer 10-way power adjustment, heating, and ventilation. Wood effect accents enhance the retro-modern vibe. The 146 cubic foot cargo area and removable third-row seats offer unmatched versatility, surpassing the NS2's compact storage. The ID Buzz GTX prioritizes family-friendly utility. Performance and technology. The 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX boasts a dual-motor AWD system delivering 340 horsepower, an 86 kilowatt-hour battery, and a 291-mile EPA range. It tows up to 3,968 pounds and hits 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds, with 21-inch all-terrain tires and adaptive suspension for smooth handling. Its 170 kilowatt DC charging adds 80 miles in 10 minutes. IQ Drive with Travel Assist and Park Assist Plus ensures earthless urban navigation. A 360-degree camera and over-the-air updates keep it cutting edge for road trips. Compared to the Honda NS2 estimated 218 horsepower and 260 miles, and Chrysler Pacifica EV estimated 300 horsepower and 280 miles, the ID Buzz GTX excels in power and cargo space, though range is similar. Its MEB platform dominates versatility in 2026. Pricing and release info. The 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX starts at $67,435 and Canadian $90,000 in Canada, built in Hanover, Germany. Deliveries begin summer 2026. With electrified performance and retro style, it's a family adventurer's dream. Check WV.com for details. This ID Buzz GTX is unstoppable. The 2026 Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX is a performance electric van, blending retro charm with modern power. It's VW's triumph. Next up, the 2026 Honda NS2 compact electric hatch. Smash that like button, subscribe to Future Cars and Concepts, and comment, would you drive this electric van? Catch you in the electric future.